Good morning to you all. On the occasion of ceremonial foundation stone laying program of civil work under Samagraha, Siksa of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong KAC Difu, here at Tokbi village, Kotkoti, Bokazon, on the day of 5th August. I, on behalf of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, would like to welcome each and everyone on this program. On this momentous occasions of heralding a new chapter in educational sector of both Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong under KAC, I would like the honor to welcome the chief guest of today's event, the most dynamic and visionary Honorable CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghangji, and along with us, respected Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Dr. Numanji, Difu MLA, Mr. Bidasing Lengji, Hauragat LA MLA, Mr. Dorsing Ronghangji, along with us, Speaker of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Raju Tisoji, and my colleague, all EM, MSc, Board Chairman, Education Secretary, Mrs. Nirula, Joint Secretary Education, IS, and all the DMC of both Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, Block Elementary Education Officers, BMC, and my dear student of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Awaisa Vidyalaya, and my press media friend. Today I am very glad to say that foundation stone layout for the construction of two nodes of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Awaisa Vidyalaya, four nodes of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya, four nodes of upgradation of ME school to high school, and two nodes of upgradation of high school to higher secondary school across different parts of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. My sincere, heartfelt gratitude and heartiest thanks goes to our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himantoji, and Dr. Ronas Peguji, the Education Minister of Assam. And we are witnessing a manifold progress made in different departments under the dynamic and visionary leadership of Honorable CM in the last few years, and significant milestone has been achieved in educational sector as well. This year we have received record best performance in metric examination result with the district tally stand in 15th rank with 75%. This is all possible because of special attention given to education by the Honorable CM himself. So today's events will be marked as another significant milestone in our pursuit for making Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong as an educational hub to augment the ratio of literacy and to provide the best educational facility for our students. Today, in this scheme, total estimate cost of rupees 52 crores 66 lakh 70,000, and this been done financial foundation stone but laid down by our chief guest. So before we move on the next proceeding, once again I welcome you all to the ceremonial foundation stone laying program of civil works under Samagraha, Siksa, Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. Thank you very much, Kardon.
Thank you so much, Honorable Sir, Mr. Tokbi, for your kind welcome to everyone present here. We have another felicitation request to felicitate our Honorable CEM of Carbon Long Term Wisconsin. So I give them time.